Hello everyone. So first of all, thank you very much guys to join me. So if you are new here, then you should definitely subscribe my YouTube channel Kusumnet Classes and hit the bell icon as well as. So guys, first of all, I want to inform you that this video is for only for science background student because this vacancy has come out from National Institute of Technology, Puducherry. You can say Pondicherry, and here humanities and social science subjects is not available. So if you are a student of social science and humanities, you should not watch this video. So guys, this vacancy has come for admission to PhD program 2020-21. So in this video we will discuss at every point what is the qualification and what will be eligibility criteria for PhD admission, and the subject list and admission fee. So now the subject list is civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and physical education. So these are the subject list. If you are not in the subject list, then you should not watch this video. I am saying you again and again. And if you are in the subject list, then you should definitely watch this video. So guys, admission categories, when you will take admission here, then your session will be count from January 2021. So here is two type of PhD program: full time PhD program and a part time PhD program. So if you have JRF, then you will get a scholarship in this institute, and if you don't have JRF, then you will not get any fellowship. So remember it. And the fee, if you want to talk on eligibility criteria, then this is you have a minimum 60% aggregate marks in your post graduation course. And if you are from OBC category, SC category, it means if you have minimum 55% aggregate marks in your master degree program. So this was the criteria, and here is the subject list and research areas. Department Civil Engineering, and you can watch here research areas in the right side, and Computer Science and Engineering. This is the right areas. Research areas: electrical and electronics engineering, and electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, mathematics, chemistry, physics, and physical education. No institute fellowship. So physiology of exercise, health and fitness, yoga and physiotherapy. Then if you are a student of yoga, then you can also fill this form. So this is the golden opportunity for you. And what will be the selection procedure? The candidates are required to submit their research proposal along with the application. It means when you will fill application form, on that time you will have also mention your research proposal, and you will have to send your research proposal on university website, on NIT पुदुचेरीज ऑफिशियल्स वेबसाइट्स. तो उसके बाद यह चर्चा कर लेते हैं एडमिशन प्रोसीजर. आप देखने इसमें देख लिया आपने. एंड व्हेन यू कम टू द एडमिशन फी, then your admission fee will be 200 rupees, grade card 150 rupees, medical examination 100 rupees. It means total 4450 rupees. And the seminar and thesis submission fee will be extra fee. Semester fee is 11,900. It means you have to pay 11,900 rupees for 6 months. And the hostel fee is establishment 9,000. This 9,000 fees for one semester, so remember it. And you have to pay rent 6,000, mess 14,000 for 6 months, and one time a 1,000 deposit refundable 4,000. It means total you have to pay 33,000. So this is too much cost. And for girls student, this is 28,000. Financial assistance, it means whatever you get scholarship. PhD in engineering 31,000 per month, and PhD in science and humanities 31,000 per month. And however, those who are awarded UGC, CSIR, NBHM, NET, JEST may utilize the doctoral fellowship once admitted to the PhD program. How to apply? You have to go and sub the website www.nitpi.ac.in. A non-refundable application fee of 1000 rupees and 500 for SC/ST and PH/PWD category student, inclusive of GST. And you have to pay from SBI Collect. Yeah, this is actually SBI Collect is the application, a website from where you can pay the application fee of this university or this NIT college. So, and yeah, this was all about PhD program. So guys, wish you all the best. Thank you very much to join me. Bye bye, take care.